addressing the editors of newspapers, the Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting said, I am very happy to inaugurate this conference, which is organized in connection with the celebration of the Golden Jubilee of the Indian press. I am also glad that a seminar is being held to discuss the future role of the press. As we have rightly seen, the spread of information is the right of every individual in this country, and our constitution assures every citizen fundamental right to information. It means that every person, irrespective of the religion the he belongs to, can and should have access to the information he requires. In this context, I would like to recollect the evolution of the media of information. In olden times, the communication was through radio, which is, I believe, still the most preferred to by the common man. Despite the improvements in one's standard of living over the years, the radio is considered to be the cheapest and reliable medium of information. The government, too, on its part, have established more and more radio stations so that a large part of the country is covered. When the television has been introduced, everyone in the country thought that this would surely replace the radio. Instead of its advantages over the radio occupies a place of pride in common man's possessions. The television has been able to make its impact only during the last 20 years. I could provide, besides information, a wide range of images which a radio could not. People at once realized the value of this new invention, and as their standard of living improved, felt that it would add to their status. The government too gave much importance for the promotion of this industry, and as a matter of fact ensured that the prices are kept within the reach of a large section of people. At the same time, another medium of communication came into existence. It is the newspaper. The low price at which the paper is made available has attracted millions of educated persons. I am also aware of the fact that some newspapers are taking to unfair means of publicity in order to keep their heads above water. The news they spread sometimes lead to unnecessary chaos, and in some cases create disturbances in the society and loss of life too. I wish this conference every success. Dear sirs, we have received your letter of the 8th instant, and we would like to state as follows. You have inquired about measures Gopal agencies of Hyderabad and sought information whether you could supply the goods on credit. In this connection, we would like to inform you that the said firm has been our customer for the last 10 years, and we have cordial relations with them. The two brothers who started the business have been respectable and have not kept their account pending for long. They could establish themselves in this new line within a short time, and they enjoy a good reputation in the business world, in the city. Hence, we can confidently recommend that you can extend credit to the said firm up to a lakh of rupees. In view of these above, we recommend that you can extend the necessary credit to the said firm. Thanking you and assuring you of our cooperation. Yours faithfully, Manager.